Why does the fire goes off when water is poured over burning wood? It happens because water absorbs a large amount of heat energy which results in fall in the temperature of wood below its ignition temperature and the fire goes off. How do we control fire? Generally, water is used to control fire. Water brings down the temperature of combustible substance below its ignition temperature. The water vapor surrounds the combustible substance, thus helping in cutting off the supply of oxygen or air so that the fire is extinguished. Heating water in a paper cup. Make two paper cups by folding a sheet of paper and pour about 50 ml of water in one of the cups. In the first cup, pour 50 ml of water. Heat both the cups separately with a candle. What do you observe? What happens to the empty paper cup? And what happens to the paper cup with water? Does water in this cup become hot? Let's see. You can see that the heat supplied to the paper cup in the first case, where we poured 50 ml of water in the first case, the heat supplied to the paper cup is transferred to the water by conduction. In the presence of water, the ignition temperature of paper is not reached, hence it does not burn. If we continue heating the cup, we can even boil water in the paper cup. Inflammable substances. The substances which have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with a flame are known as inflammable substances. Examples are petrol, alcohol, diesel, LPG and many more. Fire is the result of a chemical combustion reaction between oxygen and some sort of fuel. How long a fire lasts depends on how much fuel and oxygen are available. For the generation of fire, we need three things to be present simultaneously. That are some sort of fuel or combustible substance or combustible material, that is the first thing. Second is a heat source to raise the temperature of the fuel to its ignition temperature. And the third one is enough oxygen to sustain combustion. So, if we remove any one of these resources, the fire can be controlled.